Hey everyone, today I'm in front of Columbia University. I'm on Broadway and 116th, and I'm going to be doing a Seinfeld walk. So I'm going to be heading downtown, so just take a peek inside. This is Columbia University, the gates, and I'm going to be walking downtown, and this is the neighborhood that Jerry Seinfeld would have lived in the show. So you're going to be doing a walk just like Seinfeld would have. A couple blocks away from here is where the famous Seinfeld diner is. So this would have been kind of like where Jerry's neighbor, where he would have walked around, maybe where the characters on the show would have lived. I think Jerry may have, the actual building where he lived in is in the 80s on the west side. But I think this is where they depicted him. They depicted him living on Broadway, or somewhere near Broadway, so. You're walking like Seinfeld right now, guys. Right now, Columbia University has just gone back into session. And all the Columbia students are here and they're walking the streets. So this is what Jerry would have seen on the show. Loads and loads of Columbia students. So right now we're on the Upper West Side on Broadway. It's a pretty nice neighborhood. It's full of old buildings, these old style apartment buildings. A lot of rent controlled apartments here. A lot of beautiful brownstone buildings, like down this street. A lot of this area around Columbia is bought up by the university, and every year they seem to find more and more money to buy more and more spaces to expand the university. This is the Earth Institute. On the left we have a store that's really catering to Columbia students. It has Columbia shirts, water bottles, weights, everything you need to live in an apartment in New York City. Uh-oh. We have on the left Milano Market, an Italian grocery store, specialty items. We have a little dog here, chilling out all by himself, waiting for his owner. Wow, I love Italian food. I hear they make great sandwiches here. Look at this bread, beautiful. I've actually heard about this place from a friend. They're supposed to make great sandwiches. And right here in front of us on the left is the famous Seinfeld Diner. Although sadly today it's under construction. But this is Tom's Diner. Or Tom's Restaurant. Best known for its reoccurring character on the show Seinfeld. The restaurant was the location where everyone would meet up every week. Let me see if I can get the shot from the show. During the show, you would see a shot that looks like this. And then it would look uptown. Oh, that guy almost hit that lady. That's no good. So this is the shot they used for the show. If you were a fan of Seinfeld, you definitely know this shot. We'll go a little bit further. And this is just the street where Jerry would have walked. We have art supplies for all the college students and art students. Duane Reade, a classic New York City drugstore. Alright, and on our left, we're at Cooneys Pizza, which is a classic pizzeria. It's been here for many, many years, and they do a big slice. The slice is 2-3 times bigger than a regular slice. That's what their claim to fame is. So right now we're on West 110. It's Cathedral Parkway over here. We're in front of Mel's Burgers and the Panda Express. I'm going to leave you here at Cooneys. I hope you enjoyed walking like Seinfeld. If you're interested in the show, if you're a lover of the show, this is exactly where Jerry would have been walking. So you got the feel of being a real New Yorker. Thanks for watching, guys.